Welcome to Just English Talk. In today's episode, we're diving into real-life English conversations you can use every day, at home, in the office, at the park, and more. Plus, at the end, we've got a special 10-minute shadowing session with 50 practical sentences for daily fluency practice. Let's get started. Scene 1. At home. Let's begin with a simple conversation between a mom and her son at home.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Mom. Yeah, I did. Just a bit tired still.
Maybe you slept too late watching that movie.
Probably. What's for breakfast?
Toast, scrambled eggs, and orange juice.
Yum. Smells good. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Don't forget you have to clean your room today.
I will after breakfast.
And remember, we have guests in the evening.
Got it. I'll help with the setup.
That's my boy. Let's eat.
Can we also bake a cake together later?
That sounds fun. We can do it after lunch.
Great. I'll find the recipe.
Don't forget to finish your homework too.
Don't worry. I'll do it before we start baking.
Scene 2. At the office. Next up, a common exchange between a manager and an employee.
Morning, Alex. Did you finish the client report?
Good morning. Yes, I just sent it over. Please check your email.
Perfect timing. We have a meeting at 11.
Should I prepare the slides too?
Yes, and include the client's feedback.
Will do. Getting started now.
Let me know if you need help.
Sure. Talk soon.
By the way, we might have another client call at 3 p.m.
Okay, I'll block that time in my calendar.
And don't forget to update the budget sheet.
Already done. Sent it yesterday evening.
Great work as always, Alex.
Thanks. Let me know if anything else comes up.
Scene 3. At the park. Now let's go outdoors with two friends catching up in the park.
What a beautiful day.
Yeah, peaceful too. I needed this.
How's work been?
Crazy busy? You?
Same. But this walk is helping.
Want to grab coffee after?
Sure. There's a cafe nearby.
Let's do 2 more laps and head there.
Deal. By the way, are you still doing yoga in the mornings?
I try to, but with meetings starting early, it's hard.
I hear you. I've been trying to stretch before bed.
That actually sounds like a good idea. I should try it.
Let's keep each other accountable.
You're on.
Scene 4. At a restaurant. Ordering at a restaurant. Here's how it can go.
Good evening. Table for two?
Yes, please.
Here's the menu. Water to start?
Still water, please.
Back shortly for your order.
Thanks.
Ready to order?
Grilled chicken salad. My friend wants the pasta.
Great. Drinks?
Just water.
It'll take about 15 minutes.
Thank you.
Would you like any starters while you wait?
Sure. Can we have the garlic bread?
Absolutely. I'll bring it right over.
This place has such a cozy vibe.
Thank you. We're glad you like it.
Scene 5. At the doctor's clinic. Feeling unwell? Here's a basic conversation at the doctor's office.
What brings you in today?
Sore throat and mild fever.
Say, ah. Looks red. Any other symptoms?
Just fatigue.
Mild infection. I'll prescribe meds.
Should I take leave from work?
Yes, rest a few days and hydrate.
Thanks, doctor.
Get well soon.
Is it contagious?
Slightly. Try to avoid close contact for 48 hours.
Got it. I'll stay home.
If symptoms get worse, come back for a checkup.
Scene 6. Shopping at a store. Let's go shopping and try a conversation with a store assistant.
Customer. Hi? Do you have this shirt in medium?
Assistant, yes, here it is.
Customer. Can I try it on?
Assistant, fitting room is over there.
It fits well. Other colors?
Assistant, blue, black, green.
Customer. I'll take blue. Card payment.
Assistant, done. Have a great day.
Customer. Thanks, you too.
Assistant, by the way, we're running a weekend sale, 20% off all jeans.
Customer. Oh, really? I'll take a quick look.
Assistant, let me know if you need sizing help.
Customer. Will do. Thank you.
Now let's practice daily use English sentences. Repeat after me. Daily routine. Wake up. Get ready. Brush teeth. Take shower. Comb hair. Get dressed. Eat breakfast. Drink tea. Pack lunch. Go out. Travel/outside. Catch bus, drive carefully, walk fast, cross road, be careful, turn left, go straight, stop here, wait outside, come in, work, study, start work, sit down, read carefully, write notes, ask questions, answer properly. Be quiet, speak clearly, call me, send mail. Home life. Open door, close window, wash hands, clean room, make bed, fold clothes, iron shirt, sweep floor, mop floor, wash dishes. Food and drink. Cook rice, fry eggs, boil water, cut vegetables, eat slowly, drink milk, add sugar, pour water, serve food, have dinner. Talking, feelings. Talk slowly, listen well, don't shout. Be kind, stay calm, be honest, feel better, don't worry. I'm tired, I'm happy. Phone/devices. Turn on, turn off, charge phone, check message, pick call, hold on, call back. Try again, send text, restart phone. Shopping. Buy this. Too costly. Any discount. Pay now. Pack it. Take change. I'll buy. Not now. Just looking. Looks good. Social manners. Thank you. You're welcome. Sorry, friend. Excuse me. It's okay. Please wait. Come soon. Good job. Well done. Let's go. Evening, sleep. Get home. Take rest. Watch TV. Sit here. Talk later. Sleep early. Good night. Sweet dreams. Lights off. See you. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in next video.